So, oh, okay. So I wanted to show you just the drive in to Lady Bird because I'm not sure about the road. So I just wanted to give you an idea because I'm not sure if y'all have actually come through here before. So you can kind of get an idea as to what I'm driving in and what the neighborhood looks like. Obviously, there's the lake right there. So you're going to have a variety of different homes and stuff, so that's that. But then you also have this road, and I just wanted to make sure that this would actually be okay for the trucks because there's a couple areas that are a little bit more narrow that I wanted to make sure of. Hold on.
Turn right.
So this kind of turn here